All right, so I'm going to demonstrate for you today my Roll1 Inventory Manager. So this is something that I came up with after one of my previous courses. We created this business, and I came up with something that I wanted to do. So for this project, I got to thinking, well, I'm probably going to have some sort of inventory issues. So what I've got right here, these would be different kind of components that we would already have on hand. So like acrylic sheets, it says 1 in stock. Our reorder point would be at 3. So if I highlight something else you see here, it's highlighted in amber for us. Would be some of the products that we make. So as you can see, there's only two different things here. What I could do is I could actually go into here. Now, if I want to make something like the button box, it'll pull up the inventory of what it's going to have. So as you see here, total order cost is 0. All right, that's the build one. The reason for that is because we would only need one sheet of acrylic. We have one in stock. We would have one controller board. We have 5 in stock. So what happens if I want to build something like an absurd number, right? There we get a different number. So if I wanted to build 49 of these button boxes, that's what it would cost to do. See here, and I can actually export this to a text file, and this tells me like what date that it was set up. So let's see. Yeah, let's leave it in documents for now. Okay. Let's see. And there we go. So if I wanted to add an item here, so let's say I needed to add like some switches or something like that to the inventory, so I could assign a SKU number. That'd be something I might find on Amazon. So let's call it a random switch. Current stock. We'll say we have 10. Here to put is 10. Oh, sorry. 25 cents a piece. Supplier, say Mauser Electronics, because they're near here to where I live. All right, so we've added that. And here you can see right here with the SKU number, the item name, category, and for this, I can actually add products. I can edit a product. So let's see here. Let's edit our R2D2. All right, so here's all the different components that we have in our inventory. Right, and I can add or remove, let's say, add a whole bunch of random switches, right? Updates the quantity for us. All right, there we go. We can scroll that down, see how many we're going to need. All right, save that. I can make a whole new one. So let's see here. ABC123, product name C3PO. He is made out of, let's see here, some red switches, bunch of all kinds of cool stuff, right? All right, we can save that. It adds it here to our product list. So this here is you can think of this as the components of the end item, right? These are all the screws, nuts, bolts, controller cards, and everything like that we would use to make the actual product. So, seems pretty simple. But what I really like is to be able to kind of figure out, okay, if I'm making X number of a specific product, I can come in here and I can see how much I'm going to have to order, and then I can export that to the text file. And let me pause this video real quick. I'm actually going to pull up the text file real quick. All right, and this is the text file that pulls up. Sorry, I didn't want you guys seeing like all my kids' social security numbers. But yeah, so kind of gives you the name of our organization, shopping list, this product, how many we're going to build. This is when the report was generated, how much we need, how much is on stock, how much to order, how much each one costs. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'll probably be using this here in real life pretty soon. I'm really excited about this one.